आज 8:30 9:30 May I audible? Yes. We will.
Yes, ma'am.
We will start the lecture or wait for 5 minutes. We will wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Then we will start the lecture. Okay. Vedangi, you are the co-host now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In B division. B division. Who are interested to co-host? Tell me fast.
So through multiple tabs that tells the browser what is the title of
Pratiksha. Pratiksha, mute yourself.
Mute yourself, Shyamul.
All of you, mute yourself. Okay. B division, who is interested to co-host? Yes. Give me reply fast. Then we will start the session. Okay. Okay. Very good morning to all of you. Okay. Good morning and happy morning. Okay. Yes. We will start the session. Yes. Okay. First instruction, mute yourself. Okay. B division. Give me reply. Anyone interested to co-host? In A division, Vedangi is here. And B division. Anyone interested? Give me reply fast. Yes. Akshata Kumar. Divya. Shraddha. Yes. Anyone interested to co-host? Okay. Very good morning to everybody. Division A and B. Happy morning. We will start the lecture. Okay. Shall we start the lecture?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very important part in the programming is a keyword identifier literals operator. Yes, it is very important part in every programming language like C. Uh, Please mute your.
Ma'am? Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
आता घेतोस तू
Hello, hello, may audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vijay, mute yourself. Vijay, Chinmay, mute yourself. Chinmay, B division 738, roll number. Okay. Am I audible right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. B, A division, all of you. May audible? Yes. We will start the session. Okay. Python tokens. It is a very much important part if you started in program. Okay. Python tokens means keyword, identifier, literals, operator. Every programming language, you write a simple program without any keyword, identifier, literals, operator, you don't write any program. Okay. It's a very important part into your programming program. Okay. Keyword, identifier, literals, operator. Okay. Next point. What is mean by keyword? Anybody tell me? In C language, they're having the reserved keyword. Okay, reserved words. With help of these keywords, we write the program. Okay. Yes, understood, everybody?
Yes.
Yes. This is a true, false, DFF, DEF, non, class, and continue, as, break, else, finally, is a reserved keyword in every language. C, C++, and next one Java and Python. Having the same start, same chart in every language. Okay? Yes? Understood? Understood? Yes? Mute yourself. Uh, okay, means keyword. Okay, keyword is a reserved word used by compiler and interpreter. Okay. Next point, identifier. Identifier is most important part in your program. Okay. Identifier means what? Names variable will be declared in the programming language. Okay. Program. If you start in a special character, it execute any program. Yes. Underscore with the help of underscore. Execute the program? No, because started from underscore. If suppose write it underscore a, it execute underscore a is equal to 5. It will be execute? No. They are having the rule of identifier. They are having the no starting symbol special character. Okay. Next one, identifier are case sensitive. Okay. Next one, first letter not be digit. Suppose you started the variable 9a. Okay, 9a, and execute this variable. Then execute it or error should be occur. Yes, anybody try it? This statement underscore a is equal to 5. Then you write it 9a is equal to 5. Execute it or not execute this statement identifier. Yes, most important thing in your program, you identifier it will declare. Okay, in the variable, in the function or object. Yes, if you started symbol it underscore a is equal to 5, it will be execute in the program. Yes, execute or not execute? Tell me, execute or not execute? If you having the error of underscore a is equal to 5, give me reply. Yes, anyone try it? Yes. Suppose I will
Yes, ma'am, it will execute.
execute. Okay. Python Vedangi says yes, it is execute. Okay, we will see it. Okay. Next one, all of you see this screen? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Underscore a is equal to 9. Execute my underscore a 9. It will be execute. Okay. Next one, 9a is equal to 67. Then what is the error? Invalid syntax. Okay. All of you understood. Whenever you write the variable declaration, then you directly write it variable started from character. Okay. Yes. This line not be execute. 9 digit. Okay. It is compulsory. First letter cannot be digit. Okay. Yes. Understood? What is mean by identifier? Yes. Then literals. Literals means can be defined any data. Okay. In program you write it sum of the data. Suppose A is equal to welcome to third year. You write it literals. A is equal to welcome to third year. Then B is equal to any digit. 67, 37. Okay. All of you understood what is mean by literals? Define sum of the data. Yes. Yes. Next one, operator. All of you perform the all operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, and membership operator. Means operator means what? Take the two operand and do it the operation between the two operand. Okay, means arithmetic, comparison, assignment, anything. Okay, all of you perform the operator program. Yes, all of you perform the operator program. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. This is the main point in your program. We will start the our main program if else conditional structure and looping structure is a main 4 pillar in your program. Keyword, identifier, literals, operator. Because these 4 pillar we will use every program in every program statement. Yes, understood everybody? Keyword, identifier, literals, operator. What is meant by Python tokens? Everybody should be replied. Okay, it is a small component in every programming language. Yes, C, C++, Python, Java also having the component in program. Keyword, identifier, literals, operator. Okay, understood everybody? Move our next point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, control structure means conditional structure. For example, natural example, okay, in day-to-day life, okay, if you are running outside, okay, if it is raining outside, sit inside the home or go outside to playing the cricket or anything, playing the football. What you are doing? Sit inside the
Sitting.
home. Sit inside the home. Okay, and else if it is not rainy, then we will go to play. Okay, suppose cricket, anything. Yes, understood. It is a very nice diagram, all of you. Yes, hello. Yes, if it is rainy, sit inside the home, else go outside to play cricket or play anything game. Okay, cricket, football, likewise. Okay, next one, they're having the 3 conditional statement: if statement, if else statement, nested if statement. Okay, if statement means what? If it is condition is true, test case is true, test condition is true, statement execute. Okay, yes, it is a if statement. And then if a statement means what? If condition, if first condition is not true, then else statement executed. Okay, understood? And nested if else, we will take the program. Okay, nested if else. Next one, loop. Loop statement. Loop statement is what in C language? Anybody tell me what is the loop? Yes,
We can
yes,
perform iterations using loops.
yes, yes. Absolutely right. Vedangi says the answer. Anybody boys side interested to tell the answer? Yes. If you tell in Marathi, no problem. Tell, must be you tell it. The what is the answer? Okay.
Ma'am, loop is a condition which is executed repeatedly until it's over.
Yes, yes,
Until it
yes,
satisfies a condition, and then it
yes,
fails.
yes. Yes, yes, absolutely right. If suppose, for example, we will take one program. Okay. Understood? I am fast or slow? Tell me. Then we will continue the next part because it is most important part. That's why we will focus. Okay. Suppose we will take the 2 program. Okay. With the C language, we take the if you print the hello world 5 times in C, you write it 5 times print. Yes. Printf statement. Yes. Absolutely right. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. 5 times print statement. Yes. Then use loop statement. What you take the condition for loop I is equal to, yes, whatever your statement, and write it printf hello world. Yes, means your repeated task multiple time, then we will take the loop statement. Okay. Yes, understood. Means whatever your program is complex problem statement, and with the help of loop statement, we will in decreasing, we will be reduce it, this programming program statement. Okay. Yes, understood. Will be reduce the task of the with the help of loop statement. Okay. Yes, understood. Means looping statement are used to repeat a task multiple time. Okay. Reduce the or uh, time or repeated number of timeline. Okay. Keep, for example, if your bucket are full, yes, while it is not full, then fill it by mug. Okay. Yes, understood everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then they're having the three statement: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Okay. Yes. We will move the next program. Then we will repeat the once again. What is Python token? They're having the 4 pillars: keyword, identifier, literals, operator. Okay. Next one, control structure, means what? If else, if statement, if else statement, and nested if statement. Okay. Next one, they are having the loop statement, means will repeat the task multiple times, reduce the loop with the help of loop statement. Okay. Means while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Okay. Yes. We will move the program: if else statement, if else statement, and nested if statement. Yes. All boys, move our next program. Because of, yes, conditional structure with understood the practical. Okay. With the help of practical, understood the program. Okay. um File. Okay. File, new file, take it if statement, first if statement. Okay. Okay, suppose we will move the program practical. Yes. Yes, all of you. Vedangi says yes. Another student also say yes. Okay. Yes, we will move our practical.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If suppose, for example, score. Okay. First, save this program. Save as desktop. Write it bty06. Okay. Dot py. Python. Py is a extension. Save it. If score is equal to 50. Okay. Then if, okay, tell me the simple syntax. First, simple syntax, we will start. Test condition. Test condition. Okay. We will not write it in the and body of statement. Okay. It is a simple syntax in if statement. Okay. If, test condition, body statement, and then else. Okay. And then next was body statement. If first condition is false, then else condition execute. Okay, all of you understood? This is the syntax of the if statement. If test condition, yes, body statement, else body statement. Okay, body of statement, whatever you write it, take it screenshot of if statement syntax, if else statement syntax. All of you take it the screenshot of it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will move the next, move our program. Okay, if score, you achieve the score of 50. Okay, then if score greater than 50 is equal to 50, and take the indentation and then print. Everybody clearly focus on your indentation, spacing, white spacing. Okay, and print you pass the exam. Okay, and next print congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, and run it, run module. Okay, you have passed the exam and congratulations. Okay, yes, everybody understood the if statement? Yes, yes, everybody understood the if statement? Then
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
then
ma'am.
open the tree. Okay, and next, suppose we run it and write it. Suppose in the percentage is less than 50, then what happen? Write it if statement once again, then score less than is equal to 50, less than is equal to 50, print sorry, you fail, you have the fail, the exam. Okay, yes, then write it here, write it here 45. Okay, run it, sorry, you have failed the exam. Okay, which statement execute? If score less than is equal to 50, indication, and print the sorry, you have failed the exam. Okay, all of you understood? Yes, yes, all of you understood this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Suppose if write the program, check the person is eligible for vote or not. Okay, if check the person eligible for vote or not, you should be write the program or we write it right now. Yes, your programming statement is like this. Write the program, check whether the person is eligible for vote or not. Okay, all of you, A and B, understood the problem statement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everybody, Rohit, Rohit More, and boys side, A73, be ready, okay, and B division also, okay. If is simple if else statement, write the program if the person are eligible for vote or not, okay. Write it, the program. Take it 10 minutes time and run it program.
पंचमा गेले बाहेर झालं मॅम.
What happened? Oh, it's over.
येस मॅम.
Yes. What is your name?
राहुल.
Wait for a minute. Wait. Rahul Hingmire. Yes. Is it correct or not?
येस मॅम.
Okay. I make you co-host now. Rahul Hingmire co-host. Okay. Share your screen.
येस मॅम. इट इज विजिबल.
Is it visible? Open your program.
हाँ.
Yes. Yes, it is visible. And I'm saying it there. Input, enter age. Age is greater than. Yes, run it. Okay. Write it here. Age, enter the age. Okay. Very good, Rahul. Yes, Vedangi. Over. Yes, very good. We will move the our next point. Yes, anybody? Vedangi interested to
Yes,
share
ma'am.
your screen? Yes, okay. Share your screen. B division, be ready. One student, one of you, B division, be ready. Okay, yes. Okay, okay, very good. We will move our else nested if else. Okay. Yes. Move our next point. Nested if else. What happens? We will go for nested if else. Okay. All of you, my screen is visible. Yes.
येस मॅम.
Okay. Okay. Suppose your score is. We will move the nested if else statement. Okay. Yes. If your score is 105. Okay. Then what happen here? greater than 100, or operator. All of you know about use of or operator. Yes, all of you use it. Then score a less than is equal to 0. Then what happen? Print score is invalid. Score is invalid. Okay, invalid. Okay, next one, else if score greater than is equal to 50, then you have passed the exam. Okay, and then else. Okay, save this program, run it. Invalid score 105, it's invalid score. Okay, suppose you write it here 89. Okay, save this change, run the module. What happened? You have passed the exam. Congratulations. Okay, next one, if you are supposed, what is your percentage? 36. Suppose 36%. Then what happened here? Sorry, you have failed the exam. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, all of you understood? Else nested if else? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If suppose I want to take the user input, then what will be the do it? I want the input from the user. Then what will be do? Write it here. Score is equal to int, convert string into integer, input, write it here, enter the number, then close, save this change, and run it, run the model, write it 99. Yes, you have passed the exam. Okay, and then once again we will repeat, run it, run module, then write it 109. Sorry, score invalid. Then run it once again. "45". Wait. We will clear this first of all. Okay. Suppose I want to run it command line. Then what will we do? 45. Sorry, you have the fail. CMD, open CMD, Write it here. Okay, CD, desktop. Okay, what is your program name? Write it here. ty06.py. Okay, write it here. 78% you have passed the exam. All of you see here clearly. Okay, next one. Once again, you write it 06.py. Then enter the 1057. Then score is invalid. Okay. Next one, ty06.py. Then enter the 45. Then sorry, you have failed the exam. Okay. All of you understood? Conditional statement, we will cover the if statement, if else statement, for the help of if the person are eligible for vote or not. Then we will cover the if else nested if else statement. Okay, all of you understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we will move the next point, looping statement. Looping statement, understood everybody? See here, in conditional statement they're having no any long theory. Okay, if you understood practical practical example if else and nested if else statement, no need to theory part, to go theory part. Okay, you have sufficient to explain every program logic, only logic. If you tell it vote for, if the person are eligible for vote or not, if it's sufficient to tell, if sir ask you the person vote for eligible for vote or not, say if a person are greater than 80, it is it eligible for vote, or if the person are not eligible for vote, then write it 12, 13, 14. Okay, see here, or not ask MNC or anything for your whole program. Only logic is important. Not say, not tell, say like this. If you are eligible for vote, bubble shot, ask it. If clearly, you, all of you listen carefully. Data structure, continue practice it. Sorting technique, searching technique. Okay, yes. Okay, we will move the next part, looping statement. Okay, yes, we will move the looping statement. Yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Okay, we will move our next point, looping statement. For new file, open it. If count, save this file first. Save as desktop. ty63. Okay, dot file. Okay, save this file. Okay, then we will go for next point. Count is equal to 0. Then y count less than 5. Okay, see here what will we do. Okay, print I am inside the loop. I am inside the loop. Okay, then print loop looping is running. Okay, say this, run it. Then what happened? What happened here? See here. Yes, anybody tell what happened here?
The loop will run infinitely.
Yes, yes. Loop are executed infinitely. Okay, because of we will not write it here. A count is equal to 0, but count is less than 5. Executed repeated time. Okay, 0 less than 5, execute. 0 less than 5, execute. 0 less than 5, execute. Infinite loop, it be executed. Repeated time or repeated verb. Okay, okay, all of you understood his point. Then suppose I want to print number. Okay, then what will we do? Write it here, count is equal to 5. Okay, count is equal to 5, and write it here, count less than is equal to 5. Then print the count number less than is equal to 10. Okay, and write it here, count statement. Count. Okay, and then we write it here, count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, save this file, means counter variable increment by loop are executed 10 times. Okay, then run it. Then what happened? See here. Exit. Go over program. First. Open with the count. Okay, next one, run the module, count, only count. Okay, no problem, we will see what happened here. Okay, then write it, count, save this file, run it. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all of you understood what will we do right now? Next, count is equal to 0. Then what happen here? Save this file, run it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all of you understood? Yes, yes, yes. Suppose I'm telling you the one task to you. Okay, then we will move the print the table. Okay, suppose 3, 5, 4. Then what will be logic behind it? Yes, yes, tell me. Okay, we will move our next programming statement, print the table. Okay, using while loop, do while loop, and for loop. Okay, for example, while loop, I'm telling you while loop, then you should be do it the program of do while loop and for loop. Okay, is it okay? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, everybody. Okay, number, write it number, take it number from user into input, enter a number. Okay, then count is equal to start from 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next one, then count less than is equal to 10, up to 10, calculate from 10. Okay, next one, product means table. If you write it table, no problem. Okay, product is equal to, what will we do right now? Number, write it number into count. Okay, yes, understood? Number into count and print here product. Okay, yes, that is here product. Save this file, run it. Then suppose I want to table on 4. Okay, 4th table print it fourth table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay, suppose Windows R, open it, Windows R, cmd command, write it cd desktop, yes, RHPY 63.py, write it number 5, 6. Then 6 printed 6 table. Okay, yes, understood? Yes, everybody. If suppose write it here clearly, product number count is equal to your product. Okay, then what will we do here? Write number comma, print it here into, okay, into sign, then count, whatever your count, and next one is equal to, then write it product. Okay, save this file, save it, run it, then write it here 7. Okay, Windows. Okay, write it here 5th. Then 5th table, print it. 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 8, 5 into 3, 50, 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 5, 25. Okay, all of you understood this point? Yes, anyone having doubt? Yes, yes, everybody. Yes, Vedangi, Rohi, Rahul.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, if suppose you are able to do it, do while loop, take it 15 minutes time, and Rahul, Rohit must be answered. Okay, and B division, be ready with your answer. They're having the code of you while loop. With this loop, use it do while loop. Okay, yes, understood? Take it 15 minutes time. Okay, yes, Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Rohit, Rahul, Amruta, be ready. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
झालं मॅम.
Rahul, your program is over? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are the co-host. Yes, you share your screen. You already having the co-host. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. And all of you see this program, okay, clearly. Okay? Yes? Okay. 12 for loop. Okay. A is equal to input, enter the number range of 1 to 11. Okay. 1 to 11. Okay. B is equal to A into I. Okay. Very good. Rahul, do while loop.
Okay, ma'am. I will do it in just 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay. Rohit More. What is your surname? I don't know. Rohit, are you right now? Do it. Rahul. Okay. Do while. Rahul, I am say the do while loop. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I am doing it.
Okay. Yes. Rahul, wait for a minute. Take your time. Don't share. Okay. Take your time. Don't stop sharing. Okay. Stop sharing. Vedangi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Uh, over. You are over.
Ma'am, I have done with for loop, but in Python, while and do while are same.
Yes. I know that. But you are doing the well in do while or while loop.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody another interested? Rohit? Yes. Okay. Okay. In today's task for you, guys, all of you, I'm in the all of you can be print. Okay. Can you print modify the table 10 to 1? Yes. Anybody? Vedangi is sharing your screen. Wait for a minute, Vedangi. Okay. I'm telling you the one homework for you. In
Yes.
Saturday, you have to so, share your screen. Okay. In practical Saturday, your homework should be print the table 10 to 1. Okay. All of you understood your homework? Yes. Yes. Rahul, Rohit, Jyoti. Yes. Understood your homework? Write a program, a table, but modify it into 10 to 1. Okay. Means descending order. Okay. Vedangi. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vedangi, share your screen right now. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Correct.
Should I execute for also?
Yes. For loop also. Yes. Triple command. Yes. And remove the triple command into for loop. Okay. Yes. Execute it. Num remaining one num. Okay. Yes. Run it. Yes. Okay. And Vedangi Rahul terminal also executed. Rahul Ingre. But hey Vedangi, you tried also command. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Vedangi. Yes. Uh, today's session we will learn the conditional statement and loop statement. Yes, all of you understood. Rahul, you over. While loop, do while loop. Yes. Rahul. Or yes. Rahul in Mire. Yes. A73. You are interested to share the screen? Yes. Except Vedangi. Anybody interested to share the screen? Ritika, Vishakha, Shweta, Tejal. Yes. Everybody understood the concept of the conditional statement and looping statement. Yes. Yes. Understood the concept of looping statement and conditional statement. Then move our the most important part. Okay. Everybody understood. Okay. Share the screen. Everybody know about the even odd number. Prime, not prime number. Yes. It is a famous programming program. Okay. Prime number, even odd number. Okay. Yes. Yes. Vedangi, Rahul, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Uh, if you are doing the prime even odd number right now, all of you, everybody know about logic of even odd number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If 10 divided by 2, okay, then 10 divided by 2, what is the remainder?
0.
I'm telling you the logic. 0 means 10 is a even or odd?
Even.
Even number. Suppose 15 divided by 2, okay, 15 divided by 2, then what is the remainder?
1.
1. It is a even or odd?
Odd.
Odd number. Okay. Vedangi, good one. Okay. Then your logic is 1 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Write it. Test condition I is mod 2 is equal to 0, and write it. Write the program. I will tell you the programming statement. Write the program even odd number first. Okay. Yes, Rahul understood the problem statement. Write the program even odd number using if else statement. Okay. Yes, Vedangi, Tejal, Rahul, Rohit, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Rahul. Yes, Rahul in mirror. Yes. Okay, Rahul. Write the program even odd number. Okay, even odd number. Rahul, understood the problem statement? Yes. Okay. Do it, Rahul. Rohit, all of you A and B division. Problem statement is it. Write the program even odd number, because Saturday session we will learn even odd number, print 100 digit. What is the even number of total even number printed, and what is the odd number in total of 100 digit? Okay, that's why in sample write it the program even odd number. Okay.
Over, ma'am.
Over.
Yes.
Okay, share your screen. Yes. Okay, run it. Number is even, an odd number. Number is odd. Okay, good one. Yes, anybody interested to share your screen? Sakshi, Shiv Sharan, Aishwarya, Sandhya, Dipali, Ritika, S34. B division. Hello? B division. All of you, my screen is visible? B division, anybody to share your screen? Please, is required. Ganesh, mute yourself. And all of you sit in the noise free area, because it is most important session. Okay, Ganesh, mute yourself and go to noise free area. Okay, all of you, TYA and TYB division. If you are starting session, go through noise free area and sit there. Okay. Rahul, over. Task is over or not? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Share your screen. You're, right now you're not co-host or co-host. Wait for a minute. I'm checking. Okay. Rahul, right now you are co-host. Share your screen. Okay. Unit, enter the number or 3. Okay. Good one. Rohit, Rahul. Sorry, Rahul. Okay. Yes. Wait for a minute, 5 minutes. Okay, very good, Rahul. Okay, all of you understood the today's session point? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? And all of you do the task of the write the program table. Okay, Rahul, Rohit, and all of you, TYA and TYB must be performed in Saturday. Okay, all of you write the program, write a table, but descending order 10 to 1. Print it 50 first, next 45, next. Understood? What is the I'm saying like this? Yes? Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. They're having the 2 day time. Write the program into table. Write a program table, but in descending order. Okay? Write down into pen and paper. Write down the homework for today's session. Okay? Yes? Yes, everybody? Anybody having doubt of today's session? In today's session, we will learn the Python token. It's most important part in your program. Okay, they're having the small component in your program, but it is most important. Okay, means keyword, identifier, literals. Take the revision part of it. The smallest meaningful component in your program means keyword, identifier, literals, and operator. Okay, they're having the 4 pillar like this. You said that it is a 4 pillar in your every programming language. Okay, we will use every program keyword, identifier, literals, operator. Okay, yes. Next one keyword. They're having the reserved keywords. Okay, yes. Next one identifier, okay, and literals. Literals can be defined data. Next one operator. All of you know about operator. All of you perform the operators program yesterday session. Okay. Next one control structure. There having the simple definition is that if it is rainy, sit inside the home. Otherwise, play the cricket or football anywhere. Okay, they're having the 3 statement: if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement. Okay, we having the example of if statement score program. Okay, score program, student score program. Then if else statement also same example. And if else statement you having the example of program check the person are eligible for vote or not. Okay. Next one, loop statement. Loop statement having the uh, repeated task multiple time, we will remove it. Okay. For loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay. Yes. Understood. Today's session having the Python token. Next one, conditional structure. Next one, looping structure. Okay. Yes. Yes. Anyone? Yes. Yes. Unnati. Yes. Reverse table. Yes. Right. 50, 45. Yes. Like this. Okay. Understood the problem statement? Anybody having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Having 2 day time, 2 days time for you write the program reverse table. Okay. Yes. And practical session, all of you, TYA and TYB. If you are having the all already you know about practical, but I am conducting all practical different program. Okay. Don't miss any practical because it is helpful for you for your practice. You make it practice day by day. You have perfect in Python. Okay. Don't miss any session. Okay. Having the strength of 115, 120, continue this strength up to our session. Okay. Yes. Today's session having any doubt of anybody? Okay. Yes. Because we will conduct the virtual lab also. That's why don't miss any practical. Okay. Yes. Shall we stop here? We will stop here right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait for a minute. Okay. TYA. Don't write your present in chat box. I'm continue with your presenting orally. 1 TYA.
Present,
1,
ma'am.
2, 2, 2. Absent. 3,
Present, ma'am.
4, 4. Absent. 5, 5. Absent. 6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 7, 8, 8, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21,
Present, ma'am.
22, 22, 23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28, not here, 29, 30, 30, 31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37, absent. Okay, 38. Session is not over. We will take the present. 38, 38 Prerna Shinde. 38, 39,
Present, ma'am.
40, 41,
Present.
42, absent. 43, present.
Present, ma'am.
44, Reshma, present. 45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present.
47,
Present, ma'am.
48,
Present.
49,
Present, ma'am.
50,
Yes, ma'am.
51, 52, 52, 53, 53, not present. 54,
53, ma'am.
54, yes, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56,
Yes, ma'am.
57, 57, 58,
Present, ma'am.
59, 59, absent. 60,
59 present, ma'am.
60, 61,
Present, ma'am.
62,
Present, ma'am.
63, 63, 64,
Present, ma'am.
65, 65, 66, 66, present. 67,
68 present, ma'am.
okay. 68 present, 69, 70,
Present, ma'am.
71,
Present, ma'am.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73, present.
ma'am.
74,
Present, ma'am.
73, 5,
Present, ma'am.
76, 76, 77,
Present.
78,
Present, ma'am.
79,
Present, ma'am.
80.
Present.
Okay. Absent roll number 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 14, 15, 16, 22, 28, 29, 30, 37, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 51, 52, 54, 55, 57, 60, 63, 65, 76. Anyone present?
2 is present, ma'am.
2 is present. 8 is present. Okay.
Ma'am, 43.
43. Yes.
Ma'am,
Anybody?
38.
30?
Ma'am, roll number 15.
38.
38 present. 37.
Roll number 15, ma'am.
Roll number 15 present. Yes. Roll
Ma'am,
number
roll number 45.
45. Okay. Are absent. Absent roll number 4, 5, 7, 14, 16, 22, 28, 29, 30, 37, 40, 42, 44, 51, 52, 54, 55, 28 present. Yes.
14.
14 present. Okay. Yes. TYB. Yes.
Ma'am, 30.
13 present already. 30. 3030.
Ma'am, B05 is present.
Come. Wait for a minute. B division started right now. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 3
Yes.
present. 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 4 absent. 5,
5 present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 7, 7 present. 8
Yes, ma'am.
present. 9. Yes. 8 present. 9. 9 roll number 9. Okay. Absent. 10,
Oh, present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, 15, 15,
14.
absent. 14 present. Okay. 15 absent. 16 present. 17 present. Yes. 17
Yes,
present. 18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present,
19.
Present.
Yes, yes. 20. Roll number 20. Absent. 21 present. Yes. 22,
Present.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24, 24 absent. 25, absent. 26,
Present,
20,
ma'am.
okay. 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
27, 80, 28, 28 present. 28 absent. 29,
Present, ma'am.
20, 30, 30, 31, present.
Present,
30
ma'am.
32 present. 33 यहाँ कुछ present. 34 present. 35
Present.
present. Wait for a minute. 35 present.
Yes, ma'am.
36
Present, ma'am.
37
Present.
38
Present, ma'am.
39 39 absent. 40 40 absent. 41
Present, ma'am.
42 42 43 44 45
Present, ma'am.
46 46 47 48 49
Present, madam.
50 50 50 present 51
52 present.
53
53 present, ma'am.
54 54 55
Present, ma'am.
56 56 absent 57 58
Yes, ma'am.
59
Present, ma'am.
60 60 61
Present.
62 62 63 63 okay 64
Yes, ma'am. 64.
yes 65
Present, ma'am.
66 66 66 absent 67 68 68 absent 69 absent 70 71 please give me reply in one call 71 72 73
Yes, ma'am. 73 is present.
74 75
Yes, ma'am.
76 76 present no 77 78
Present, ma'am.
79 80 okay roll number
Present, ma'am.
80 present okay
Present.
79 okay B division CR roll number all of you all girls and boys listen carefully absent roll number 4 9 15 20 24 28 39 40 42 43 44 46 47 48 50 51 54 56 57 62 63 66 68 69 70 71 72 74 76 77 and 79 right now who is present
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
A42 is present, ma'am.
A42 present. Okay. Next one.
A30, ma'am.
53 present.
53 present. Present. Absent roll number. I am telling you once again. 44 present. Okay. Roll number 4, 9, 15, 20, 24, 28, 39, 40, 43, 46, 47, 48, 50, 51, 54, 56, 57, 62, 63, 66, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 74, 76, 77, and 79. Anyone present? Anyone present right now? Okay. Then we will declare this absent roll number is correct. Yes. Okay. And early as possible, TYA and TYB, do it your vaccination early as possible, because the news out of it, 20th October, we will start this university. Okay. Early as possible, done it your vaccination. Okay. Everybody understood? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. If you're having any problem in this session, tell me. Okay. Yes. They're having the 15 minutes time. Okay. Wait for me. Okay. Yes. Anyone having the problem in this session, tell me. Okay. A75 present. Okay. Present. Okay. Okay. Shall we stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much. Session is over. You are having the good day, good session. Okay. Thank you.